This is my rehearsal journal for week 5 of the directing project. So, the main focus this week is script writing because it is the week before half term, and then half term is a week before the final week. So, in half term, I want my actors to record their scenes and learn their lines and basically get as much as that as they can do done. And so then in the final week, if they've got all those stuff done, they can focus on their theory and get that all sorted and done. So yeah, that was the main thing we did, and getting set plans for camera angles and character development. So I was gonna like write down the camera angles and everything for the scenes and everything, and giving them the audios and stuff like that, everything that was needed for filming. So whether it's ways to add emotional content or add comedy and mystery. Wait, no. Never mind. Ignore that. Pretty much everything I did this week was creative ideas because it was all script writing. Whether it was ways to add emotional content, comedy, or mystery. So it was pretty much, yeah, so like I said, everything I did was creative ideas because everything was me writing the script. So it was all my ideas for what to say and everything, working with the ideas for the scenes and the entire story and everything like that. All the ideas just mashing together to make the script, the final script. There was loads of different things which I could write down here, but this would be a half an hour to an hour rehearsal journal. I don't think my lecturer wants to sit through that. Feedback I got was that my actors liked it when they had control over the script because it helped make them feel more like part of the creation of the story. So my plan worked perfectly to get them to be more engaged. So I don't know if I said this in the past rehearsal journal. I should have said this. I don't think I actually did. Okay, right, I did not say it in the past rehearsal journal. So what I did last week was that I got my actors to write stuff down about their... No, not write stuff down. I got them to write a scene. So they got to write an entire scene on the script. And so they were able to feel more engaged with the project. And so it would make them, when they do that scene, be like, oh, I wrote this. I like this scene. So then make them more likely do good in that scene. And this worked out perfectly because my actors liked it. They liked it when they had control of the script because it helped them make them feel more part of the creation of the story. So my plan worked perfectly. Problems that we've faced were things like sessions running over. So sessions running over project time. For example, tutor sessions, which were directly in the same slot as our Tuesday session afternoon. This annoyed me quite a lot because it happened multiple times where we had a tutor session which was literally took up the entire slot of my project session, and I don't think it was fair for Director B's because Director A's got their session in the morning and were able to do it then, but we couldn't because of tutor. It just made it a little bit annoying. We couldn't exactly do project work while doing tutor because we had to focus on tutor. So it was just a little thing like that which just made it just a little bit annoying, but we still got through it and we still got a lot of the work done because it was mainly just me on my own writing the script and then practicing the scenes which have already been made. So next week is half term. This is where I expect all my actors to film all of their scenes and get them sent to me as soon as possible so that I can start editing and see if anything happens. So anything needs to be changed or redone, which I expect will need to happen. So I need them to basically film all the scenes because the quicker they can film their scenes, two things can happen. One, I can edit quicker, and two, if they have got something wrong in a scene or I think that doesn't work, that needs to be changed, then they can just easily refilm it because they'll have much more than enough time to be able to refilm it. So that is what's going on next week, and then the week after is the final week, which should be editing all the clips which I've got from everyone And in that time, my actors will hopefully just be doing theory and just basically not having to do much because it will mainly be just me editing. So I think I've said everything. That is my rehearsal journal for week 5.